Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change the keyboard size in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here this is default keyboard and this is the default size of the keyboard. If you would like to change the size of the keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to these three horizontal dots and swipe from the right side to left side once again, and you will see keyboard size option. Just click it and now you can adjust keyboard size. Okay, just drag like this. Okay, so you can adjust like this, and this is the keyboard size as of now. Okay, if you would like to restore to the original keyboard size, again go to the three horizontal dots here and click on keyboard size and click on reset, and it will be reset to the original one. Okay, click on done. Finally, yes, this is the original keyboard size. So in this way you can adjust keyboard size, change keyboard size in your phone. What you have to do is go to this three vertical dots and click on keyboard size and change the keyboard size by tracking at the border. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.